Hello, and welcome to martPath. We are so excited to share this award-winning financial literacy program with you. This series of videos will walk you through different features of the platform and give you a basic tutorial of the online portal. Along the way, you'll also learn some best practices for integrating pieces of the curriculum into your classroom. Let's go ahead and get started. To access martPath, open a new browser or tab and go to martPath.online. A quick note about browser compatibility. The videos and interactive components of martPath work best with an updated browser. If you are using an outdated browser, some components of the platform might not function properly. We found that new versions of Firefox and Google Chrome work well. If you have browser compatibility questions, feel free to reach out to us using the contact information on our website. Now, once you've accessed martPath.online, you'll see a green Launch Portal button. Click on this and you'll be prompted to sign in. If you've done business with the Economics Center in the past, whether you've taken a class with us or purchased curriculum from us, your credentials will work again to access martPath. If you're a new user, you'll need to create a new account by clicking the Create Account link. A quick note to users creating a new account: before you can access your account, you must activate it by clicking on the activation link sent to your email address. Sometimes this activation email will get flagged as spam and be sent to your spam folder. So make sure to look in all your email folders. Again, if you need assistance troubleshooting this sign-up process, feel free to reach out to us. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with the account I've already created. Now that you're signed in, the first thing you'll do is choose what grade level you would like to see. You'll do this by clicking the blue drop-down menu in the top left corner. Currently, martPath offers curriculum for students grades 1 through 8. For this tutorial, we're going to walk through grade 1. All grades are set up in an identical fashion. Each has an overarching story that acts as the grounding for the lessons that follow. The same story is followed from the beginning of Lesson 1 to the end of Lesson 3. The characters and story arc are age appropriate and keep the students engaged throughout each lesson. When you click on the Overview tab from the menu options, the first component you'll see is Financial Literacy Focus. This shows a summary of the story for that grade, as well as the content that will be covered. All the grades are heavily focused on integrating economics and personal finance into other core subjects, particularly mathematics and social studies. The next section on the Overview page is Core Mapping. As a user, you can toggle between your state's learning standards and the Jumpstart National Standards for Financial Literacy. So, that is a brief overview of how to access martPath. In video 2, we'll walk you through having your students complete the pre-assessment. This should be done before you begin any of your lessons.